Hey, let today draw this pressure plate that we see in front of us, and it is in cast iron, not gray cast iron. And the sizes are in millimeters. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go new thing. Okay, let's give it a moment. Okay, then from here we say metric standard millimeter, and then we go create. So once we are here on our drawing board, we gonna start with the circle. So that is my first circle. Okay, this is my second, and that is my third. And I want the dimension of my biggest circle to be 128 millimeters, right? And my smallest one need to be 25 millimeters. So that's one they need to be 25 millimeters. Okay, and this middle one need to be 78. Okay, so once I have those one day, I'm gonna go for my hexagon. Since I need to have 6 circles there, okay, with same space between them, so I need to make sure that I get this done quickly. Okay, so once I have my hexagon there, then I'm gonna start by placing the circles. So that is my first one. Okay, so that is my first one. There are two. Those are my first ones. These are my second ones. Come on, these are my second ones. Okay, third ones. I come here. Fourth ones. Fifth ones. And this is my sixth ones. Okay, so the next thing that I need to do is to give dimensions. So that one over there need to be 27 millimeters. So that need to be 27 millimeters. Okay, and this one here need to be 15 millimeters. So that need to be 15. Once I have those ones in place, I'm gonna go there. I press on equal, then I want this one to be equal to that one. Okay, I want that one to be equal to this one. I want this one to be equal to that. I want this one to be equal to this one. I want that one to be equal to this one. And the next thing is I want that one to be equal. Come on, not you. Escape. Equal again. So I want this one here because come on. My reference one is this one here. So I want this one here to be equal to that one. I want this one to be equal to this one here. So I want this one here to be equal to that. I want that one to be equal to this. And I want this to be equal to that. Okay, so once those are in place, I go escape. The next thing that I want now is to delete this portion. Okay, I don't need the hexagon anymore because it was just for guidance. Okay, it was just for guidance. So once I have everything in place, I don't need it. So then I'm gonna go for these other circles. Okay, these are the circles. So that is my first one. Okay, and this is my second one. So now the dimension from the up to the, that one need to be 2.5 millimeters. So that needs to be 2.5 millimeters. Okay, and now from the to the, that one need to be 5 millimeters. Okay, 5 millimeters. Now I don't need this circle now because it was for my PCD to get the diameter of my circles. Okay, then I'm gonna go on trim. I wanna take this out. I need that one out, this one out, this one out, that one out, this one out. I don't need this, I don't need that, I don't need one, I don't need this, I don't need that, I don't need this, I don't need this one, I don't need that one, I don't need this one, I don't need that one, I don't need this one, I don't need that one. Okay, so I have to remove this one here. Okay, I don't need this one, I don't need that one, I don't need this one, yeah. I don't need this, I don't need that, I don't need this, I don't need that, I don't need this, I don't need that. Yeah, the same thing. So I need to remove this one and that one, as well as those ones. So once done, I say okay, I can say finish sketch or whatever. My sketch is there. So I go into the model. I say extrude now. So I want to extrude this part here. I'm gonna start by this part. I want to extrude this part here by 7 millimeters, as well as that one. They need to go together by 7 millimeters. So those ones they need to be extruded by 7 millimeters. Okay, so that's one in place. I say okay. Then the next thing that I want to come here and say sketch visibility on. I right click then I say visibility on, then I turn my sketch, I come on extrude again. I need to get this part here out. That's one there, this one there, that's one here, this one, that one, and that one. Those one here need to be extruded by 37 millimeters, so 37 millimeters. Then I make sure that it is extruded by 37 millimeters. Okay, the way it is there. Then I say okay, and the next thing that I need now, I need these ones here to be taken out. Okay, this part here. So I come on extrude again. Okay, so I make sure that I'm selecting the right part. So I come here, I select that part over there. Okay, I select this part over there. Okay, I select that part. Okay, this one as well, right? I select that one, and then I come for this one. So once that is in place, once I've selected those ones, then I need to give them dimension. So those ones need to be 25 millimeters. They need to be selected by 25 millimeters. So let's see, they need to be extruded by 25 millimeters. That's correct. So now I need to take this part out. I need to take this, sorry, this part needs to be taken out. Okay, so now I turn it, then I say extrude. Okay, then I select the part, which is this one here. Great. Then it needs to be extruded with 15 millimeters, so 15 millimeters. So I can either change it today or change it here, the same thing. So I select that one, and I put 15 millimeters, and then I say okay. Okay, so now your drawing is done, but you need now to kill the corners. So I need to kill that one over there. So what I'm gonna do is I click on the corner. First, let me remove the visibility. So I come on visibility, I say visibility off, and then I select the corner. So my first corner. Okay, then I select all of them at once. Okay, so this one as well, let me turn it properly. So this one here, once that's one done, and then I come here, I select that part, that one, this one, that one, that one, this one, this one, that one, this one here, the one over V, this one, that one, this one here, that one, this one, that one, this one, that one. So I need to make sure that all the corners are killed. So this one here, that one, that one, this one, that one, that one, and what next? So this one and that one and that one and that one and that one. So the outside ones, those are the ones that I want to kill. So that one, okay, and this one. Great. So now that's all the corners are killed, all the outside corners are killed. Okay, so that's correct. And then I see no, I need to kill it with 1 millimeter radius, 1.5 millimeter radius, like that. I say okay. Okay, so now give it a moment for you to operate. So that's correct. So now that everything is done, I need to choose the material. So this one here need to be in cast iron. Okay, so gray cast iron. I come there, and then I go for iron gray. Okay, so there is your pressure plate. Do you see how beautiful it looks? This is what we did. So it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourselves and see you on the next videos. Please, if you haven't subscribed, just click on the button that's easier and subscribe to the channel. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself, and I say bye. See you.